Okay, part 3 of the little video thing I've done from Apsara Hotel in Khao. So this is Apsara Hotel here, and I'm just going to pan around very slowly. You pass the little estuary thing between the hotel, and then straight in front you have Memories Beach Bar. You've got all the surfer guys and girls doing a thing here on the beach. It's quite busy for surfing. And then later on, you can go and chill out. Have a massage here. Or go and get a couple of cold drinks at the beach bar. Just walk forward so you can have a quick look. So it's low season now, so there's plenty of chairs available for everybody. You can grab a few cold drinks here, or some really nice food. You can sit in the beach huts things in the shade. And then you're into Memories Bar itself. It's nice and early now, so it's very quiet. It's probably just opened. I'm not sure what time it opens. It's quite chill here in an evening, listening to the ocean waves. Spin straight around. You can just further beyond these little beach huts where you can sit and eat. There's places where you can get a nice massage for around about 350 baht at the moment. The drinks here are really reasonable. You can get a beer for a small beer for 70. And cocktails. As you can see, there's loads of places to sit and hang out in an evening. There we go. So it's just really a little review to show how close Memories is to the Apsara Hotel. And it shuts around about 10 in the evening, I think, here. So if the hotel bar's quiet, you can come and socialise here. There you go, that's it.